Hello traders, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is June 1st, 2025, and we're going to analyze USDCHF, taking a look at both recent news and the charts to determine potential trading strategies. Recent news suggests that USDCHF has been quite volatile, influenced by factors such as US-China trade tensions, US inflation data, and SNB policies. The pair is currently trading around 0.82349, having decreased slightly in the past 24 hours. We'll examine how these factors may correlate to the current chart patterns. Let's start by analyzing the one-day chart to get a broad perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a significant downtrend over the past several months, with the price declining from around 0.91 in April to the current level around 0.82, a 9% decline. Notice the large drop in early April, followed by a period of consolidation. We see the downtrend really take off near the end of May, when price dropped down to 0.9023 and has accelerated since. We need to examine the more recent daily candles to try and determine short-term patterns, but let's switch to the one-hour chart first to look for more definition in the recent price movement. Now, switching to the one-hour chart, we see a more detailed view of the recent price action. Looking at the area near the end of May, just like the daily chart, we see the downtrend intensify. It looks like the price may be finding support around the 0.822 level here in the last day. Let's narrow it down and look at the 15-minute charts to see some of the recent patterns. Now, let's examine the 15-minute chart for an even closer view, starting with the candlestick range near the end of May where the trend began. You can see that within each day, it's mostly an endless amount of red candles as the price finds lower lows. Zooming in, we can see support forming at 0.821 to 0.822, where price is having difficulty falling below on May 30th. It looks like based on this chart, if it breaks below 0.821, there may be more downside. However, if it maintains this level or breaks upward from 0.823, it may see a short rally. Now, recapping some of the important price levels based on the charts, short-term support seems to be around 0.821, while short-term resistance is around 0.823. A break above 0.823 might signal a rally, potentially testing higher levels, while a break below 0.821 could lead to further declines. Looking at the news, if tensions ease between the US and China, we might see a recovery in USDCHF, while further signs of slowing US inflation could keep the pressure on the dollar. Keep an eye on announcements from the Swiss National Bank as well, as their policies could significantly influence the franc's value.